Thank you, viewers. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's mathematics class, we shall be solving Olympiad Mathematics Question, where we are given if x to the power of 5x to the power of 5 is equal to 1444, then we should find the value of x. I want you to watch this video to the end. You will definitely learn something. Especially in this type of question, there are key things to do to get the answer. Watch to observe the key things to do. Good. By solution, I have x to the power of 5x to the power of 95 equal to 1444. The first key thing to do is to start from the right hand side and knowing how to write this 1444 in index form, and that is 1444 is the same thing as 38 raised to the power 2. It is very important to notice this from this question. That is the first solution approach to it, because 38 times 38 is equal to 1444. Therefore, we can now write that x to the power of 5x to the power of 95 is equal to 38 to the power 2. That is the first key thing. Then, the next thing, which is another hidden approach, hidden thing to do to solve this problem. It is very hidden, and the ability to discover it gives you solution to this problem. That is even where the whole thing is summarized and hidden. And what is that? Listen and remember to watch to the end. I want to multiply both sides by 19. This number 19 will serve us a lot. I will multiply the powers, both sides of the powers, by this number 19. And that is where our problems becomes solved. Every other thing is just simplification. Therefore, doing that, what I will do is I have x to the power of 5x now to the power of 95. I will multiply the power by 19. And to the right hand side, 38 to the power of 2, I will also multiply it with 19. You see, this solves a lot of things for us. It means that I shall now be having from the right hand side 2 multiply 19, and from the left hand side 5x multiply 19. That is x to the power of 5, 19 multiply 5x to the power of 95 equal to 38, then 2 multiply 19. That is what I have. And when that is done, you will notice that 19 times 5 times 9 is 45, and 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4, 95. So we shall be having from the left x to the power of 95x to the power of 95 equal to 2 multiply 19 will give us 38 to the power of 38. Can you now see that our problem is almost solved? Very good. Maths is life. Please, this is 38. That is 19 times 2. Okay? square, that is 38. Beautiful. Now, what we now do, I want you to see, I can put it this way from the left hand side as x, because everything is beautiful, to the power of 95 into the bracket, then multiply by x to the power of 95 equal to 38 to the power of 38. You see, this is 95x to the power of 95. So 95 is multiplying x. It is still the same as 95 inside the bracket, multiplying the x outside, which is also to the power of 95. Very beautiful. What we have done now is that exactly what is inside the bracket is equivalent to the base by the right hand side, and the power, the exponent, is also equal to the power at the right hand side. What that means is that the bracket, inside the bracket I have x to the power of 95, which is equal to the base 38. And also, watch very well, this power x to the power of 95 is equal to the power of this 38 by the right hand side, as you can see. So, with this, we can now conclude that x to the power of 95 is equal to 38. Either you are taking the one in the bracket, which is x to the power of 95 equal to the base by the right hand side, or you are saying that x to the power of 95, which is the exponent at the left hand side, is equal to the 38, which is the power at the right hand side. Therefore, moving forward from this, we can now write that x power 95 multiplied by 1 all over 95 is equal to, 38 raised to power 1 all over 95. I can now cancel 95 and 95 to get my value of x equal to 38, to the power of 1 all over 95. Or we write it as the 95th root of 38 equal to x. Either this or this is our final answer. But I want us to briefly check the answer that we have solved. How do we check the answer? We can now say check result. Anywhere I see x in the question, I substitute the value 95th root of 38. But remember, our target is to see if we can get 1444 by the right hand side. So I want to evaluate the left hand side, which is x to the power of 5x to the power of 95. I want to evaluate it. My target is to see if I replace the value of x, the 95th root of 38, anywhere we see x, whether it will give us exactly what we have by the right hand side. So let us do that. Now, I am replacing x now. That means the 95th root of 38, which is my value of x, is raised to power 5 multiplying the 95th root of 38, everything raised to power 95. Please watch very well. What I will do, I want to work with the exponent first. I want to work with this first. So solving this, I have 5 multiplying 95th root of 38 is the same as saying 38 raised to power 95, that is this 95, multiplying 95th root is the same as 1 all over 95. You can now see that 95 can cancel 95 to give me 5 multiplied by 38 raised to power 1. And 38 raised to power 1 is the same as 38. So meaning that 5 times 38 will give me 190. Okay, that is 5 times 8 is 40, and 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4, that is 19. So 5 times 98, 38 will give us 190. What does this mean? It means that the whole simplification and the exponential side gave us 190, implying that what we have now is the 95th root of 38. Everything now is raised to power 190 because I have simplified the power. I can also write it as 38 raised to power 190, then multiply by 1 all over 95. Beautiful. And you can see with me, and I agree, that 95 can divide 190 to give me 2. So therefore, I can now say that this is equal to 38 raised to power 2. And the 38 raised to power 2 is exactly equal to 1444. 1444. Therefore, in conclusion, we say that our answer is very accurate, that the value of x is equal to 38 raised to power 1 all over 95, or simply put in radical form, the 95th root of 38. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. God bless you.
Na mbụ agwara m mmadụ